is a type of social media where people upload links, they upload recipes, they upload, it's not quite a forum, they upload websites and stuff that other people might be interested in. Other people vote and say, hey, that's a handy link. I like it or I don't like it. And so that has been pretty popular on the web, and some examples are Stumble Upon, Dig, Reddit, Vote, and many others that I can't really think of. I mean, and so let's see. Well, actually, see, and look, he's got a cool picture of some cans and some bottles. So he's been around a while, and they might be following him. And since he is an average Joe, he's a guy that's not a celebrity. He has a good amount of followers and a good amount of people he's following as well. Well, other people might say, well, he's a down-to-earth guy. He's a normal average Joe. He's an authentic person. He's not a shill. He's not a spokesman for the company. He's not, he's not an untrustworthy salesman or marketer. He's a real person. And this is what hams the company might actually like. They might reach out to this average, authentic person and say, hey, you know what, we'll give you a commission or something. I'm honestly, I don't know exactly how they're getting paid, but they are getting contacted by bigger brands. Some of them are getting contacted by bigger brands and being used as normal, everyday, natural, sort of not pushy in your face marketing. And you can see here, to get a closer look, there's actually some websites that are paying attention to these micro influencers. And it says here, when asked how they maintain and engage their followers, and this could go for websites or anything. You don't even need to be an influencer. This should go, pretty much for anything that you put content on the web anyway. But so it's not the big dogs anymore that the marketers are looking for. They are looking for average Joes. So this is could be a very good thing for all of us average Joes out there. Okay, so that's it for today.